What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm recording this a day after the video you're about to watch, but Riley and I went up to her parents, spend the weekend, or it was the day, spend the day up there, and we went to go see her grandma in Illinois, and we came back to Perry for dinner, and then on our way home, or before we left, it started raining really hard. The weather showed no rain almost all day, so it was kind of a surprise to us. So it kept pouring, rained really hard, probably for like 3 hours or so. So when we got to leave, didn't think anything of it, because we drive these back roads to get home here to Columbia all the time. Well, because of the heavy rains, it flash flooded. So the video that I have here is from the dash cam, so I apologize. It's not the greatest quality, but it's the only thing we captured in the moment. You know, we didn't think about whipping out a camera and recording, so pretty crazy. First time I've ever done that in like the 4Runner, for example. It's near stock. It just has a 1-inch level kit on it with the Bilstein 5100s. Tires are stock, size, all that stuff. So first time I've done that in a vehicle that's pretty stock. I've done it in my previous Tundras, which have been like 7-inch lifted on 35s. So the body's really high off the ground. So just wanted to give you guys the video, show you how the 4Runner did during the flash floods. I mean, it's not, on the video it doesn't look crazy, but in the moment it was pretty bad. I'd say the water was pretty high on the road. You can kind of tell off in the ditches how flooded it is. So hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. I don't know. Can I go the opposite way? The way here I can turn and get off back to the 19, or? Uh-oh. Wanna go back?
What do you think?
Yeah, we can make it. That one doesn't route it. If get really deep, then I'll say no. Just over to? Yeah. I'm afraid everybody's creeks.
People aren't coming either.
Well, you see the light. Holy shit, we should video this.
We are videoing it.
YouTube worthy. Wow, I can't believe it this bad. Can you? Oh, it was rain.
I think the spray is high enough. We should have a problem, but
I think so.
No. You need to turn your fucking wipers up.
Is it over here? Yeah. Okay. That's all flooded. Well, not flooded, you know what I mean?
It's flooded.
Yeah, it's flashing now. It's flooded up here or what?
Behind you?
That's that behind me. Y'all.
Did not touch it.
What did they text and say for dead or floating somewhere? Check your phone. Like texting somebody.
That's what I'm worried about.
This way by 4Runner, right? For off-roading?
Yeah,
Huh?
I guess. You better watch what you're doing.
I am. Alright guys, as you saw, that was our trip home. Crazy thing is right after we got done, before we got to Rush Hill, which is the town before we get to Mexico, to hit 54, to hit 70, to get home to Colombia, it hadn't even rained there. So it was real spotty, flash flood type stuff. So crazy. But if you like the video, sure subscribe to the channel for more 4Runner and Tundra content, automotive content. Let me know what you think in the comment section, how the 4Runner did. I tell Riley it needs I need to bump the Bilsteins up to 2.5-inch lift and then put a 1.5 in the back with 33s, but she says no. So let us know if bigger lift and some bigger tires would have been better during the situation. And be sure to like this video if you liked it. So appreciate the support, guys. Have a great night.